Hello everyone, as you can see this Samsung washing machine, it is giving 4C error. This error means that the water is not sufficient. Either the water flowing inside is very slow. As you can hear the beeps, it gives these beeps after certain interval of time. It keeps on giving you error warning, and the water stops flowing inside. Here you can see the water is not flowing. Actually, the reason for this is either the water pressure is very low, the tub is not filling according to the level here. As you can see, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one, the water level is 4, but there is some specific timing within which the water should be filled at the level 4 in the tub. So if the water does not fill within that time, then the machine will give you error 4C. So to check this one, first thing we need to do is check whether the water inlet wall is fully open. Okay, this is closed and this is open. It was fully open, but still the water level pressure was very low. So for that, first turn off the valve. What we'll do is remove the inlet pipe slowly. Okay, as you can see, there is a lot of dust in the inlet pipe here. As you can see here, when the plumber cuts the pipe with the hacksaw blade, there are some burrs and the residues of the dust, plastic dust, and they enter into the pipe. If they do not clean this, they should remove it outside. Sometimes what happens, when they clean it, the powder enters inside, and when the water flows, the same dust comes and accumulates at the filter of the washing machine. To remove this dust, take a container, flat container, hold it here down. Now take the inlet pipe of the washing machine, open the valve slightly, not too much, and now put the water inside, pressure this way, let the water flow. Okay, now you can see the dust in this water. Here all the dust has come out. So take a plier and just, as you can see, this is the filter. It's clogged. You can see it is clogged. It is not totally clean. You can see. So let me clean it. Take an old brush. And it in this way, inside and outside. As you can see, now it looks like new. Now we'll fix it back. As now you can see, the filter is totally clean, completely clean. So see that none of the bristles are cut and stuck inside. Here there should not be any dust, because this will enter and block the solenoid valve. So now let us fix it. Clean it here as well. Press it inside. Now let me connect the gate. Okay, and open the valve. Now I need to press after opening the valve, just start. Now you can see the water flow is plenty. Now there won't be any error. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the 4C error in a Samsung fully automatic washing machine. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.